Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to explain about Python arithmetic operators. See, so what are the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform all arithmetic operations. In Python we have 7 arithmetic operators. So what are the 7 arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod, floor division and exponent. Total 7 arithmetic operators are there. So we know the basic functionality, how plus will work, how minus will work, how multiplication will work. With a few basic examples we have already discussed. But here in this video we need to learn briefly about how exactly division operator will work, floor division will work, mod will work and exponent will work. This one is called division. Division operator, how it works? We know already Python doesn't support the data types. So if you are taking, suppose a equals to 5 and b equals to 2. The two variables we are taking with the values 5 and 2. When you are doing a by b operation, a by b, how it consider? It consider as a decimal value only, not an integer value, decimal, because Python is not supporting data types. So how it will perform the operation? 5 divided with a 2 is a 2.5 times is a 5, remainder is 0. It will give the output is a 2.5. With a decimal value, it will give the output. Next one, what is the floor division? This double slash is called floor division. So what is the output of floor division? If you perform the same operation, it is also doing the division operation only, but here it will remove the decimal value. In 2.5 it will remove the decimal and it will give only integer part. The floor value, you know the meaning of floor value. For example, 2.3 floor value is a 2. 2.9 floor value is a 2 only. It will remove that decimal part and it will give only integer part. So whenever you are giving a double slash b floor division, it will give only integer part. Only integer part it will give. Next one is a mod. So what mod operation will do? Whatever the values you are taking, it will not consider as a decimal. It will consider as integer. It will perform integer operations only. For example, 5 divided with a 2, only 2 times 4 and remainder it will give. So what will happen? 5 mod 2, that output is a remainder is a 1. So once again 5 by 2 division will give 2.5. 5 floor division of 2, it will give only integer part after division operation. The next one is a exponent. Exponent is nothing but just power value. For example, 5, here it is double star 2 is nothing but it will become 5 square, value will give 25. For example, 2 double star 3 is nothing but 2 power 3, 8 will give. These are the arithmetic operators. So Python supports 7 arithmetic operators to perform all the arithmetic operations where we need to understand division, mod, floor division and exponent, because these are all the basic things. The priority of arithmetic operators we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all.